Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creative with Miss Me, and I thought I would give you guys a tour of my fall decor in my home. Now I'm only going to show you guys like the front entry, the formal dining, breakfast area, some things in the kitchen and the family room, but I think I did a pretty good job this year. So I thought I would show you guys how I did it this year. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turned out, stick around. Okay, as we come in, you see it's noisy outside. And as you come in, you see my wreath on the door, fall. And then I have a sign here that says, thankful, grateful, and happy. Now as we enter in the house, into the formal dining room, we come in and we see my fall tablescape. You see all the settings are the same. And I love this runner from Big Lots. And then in my china cabinet, I did place some items. I have leaf there, and down at the bottom I have a pumpkin. And on this side here, I have a glass pumpkin, and as we go up, there's the matching pumpkin there. So I did do a little details in my china cabinet. So guys, we're going to go into the next room. I'm going to show you my breakfast area. Okay guys, here's my breakfast area. I have the burnt orange placemats with the copper charger, and then the green leaf plate. And in the middle is the tier tray challenge I did with Arlene. And you see all the settings on the table are the same. I have my leaf, salt, and pepper shakers. And as we leave my breakfast area over here, you see the bar cart. The bar cart is done up for fall. As you see, I have the pumpkin and leaf placemats underneath with the copper items on top. And the bottom shelf are my thankful, blessed, grateful, and gathered glasses from Pier 1 in the pumpkin dish from Target Dollar Spot. Then I have the pumpkin stirrers and the leaves. And of course, let's not forget the lights around the bar cart, the leaves. And on the side, I have these beautiful pumpkin pie recipe and the towels. They came from the Target. Now in my kitchen, there's not that much decorated for fall. I have this fall vignette here that I did for a challenge. So my kitchen, I didn't really do too much in because my kitchen is gray and white and copper with splashes of red, of course, as you see that. Okay, now let's head into the family room. When you first come in, the first thing you see is the fireplace mantle. So let's head to the fireplace mantle. On the mantle here, you see I have the candle holders and the bush on the side. They never change. And then I have my copper lanterns with the candle inside wrapped in leaves, as you see, with my rendition of a bow. I'm working on those guys. And my garland here is, it lights up. Let me find the switch. See on my mantle, I have my garland, and it lights up. I turn on the lights for you guys. And in the center, I have my 3 pumpkins, and they all hold a candle holder. And in the back, you see the sign that says gather. So each end on the fireplace is done the same, with the vase with the sticks in it and the flowers, the vase, the candle holder, and the lantern. Now as we go down on the fireplace, we see my wood box holder. It has pine cones in it and some leaves for fall, and then of course a bow to match the bows on the lanterns. And as we go down to the other side of the fireplace, we have 3 vases in a stair-step manner. This one has the candle with the corn, of course, for fall. You have the pumpkin. Then we have the what is the thing called? Cloche on a tier with a lace ribbon around it to match the rest of the ribbons here in the house. And then the scarecrow on the front. We have that Dollar Tree pumpkin, guys. I actually have my apothecary jar filled with leaves. And then as you go to the center table, I did it simple because this table, if you put anything on it, it really blocks the cable box. So basically all I did was take one of my vases and put the fillage in for fall, the orange fillers. I like that on this mirrored tray here. And I thought that would be a cute idea. Something simple to put on the table that's not in the way of the TV. And on this side of the table, all I basically did was put a candle to go with my husband and my pictures from the wedding and so forth. And then the other thing in this family room that we have is my cozy corner. Now you remember the video, I'll link it down below, the video of my cozy corner where I changed and changed and changed and changed until I came with this. Yeah, your girl had a problem with it. I changed it like 80 times, guys. But I filmed it and let you see my craziness. So guys, this is my fall home tour. I hope you enjoyed me and my rambling, showing you my home of what I did do for fall decor. So I will be linking videos for the challenges that I participated in that you see around in my home down below. And guys, this is Stephanie, and you know what to do. If you like my content, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you know, next to it is a bell. Click that bell twice. That bell will notify you every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down below on the screen and also in the description down below. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys, be blessed.